Met Gala 2025 predictions. What to expect from fashion's biggest night. The 2025 Met Gala is right around the corner, and if there's one thing we know, it's going to be a night of unforgettable fashion. But what will the biggest celebrities wear? Who will take the crown for best dressed? And which looks will have everyone talking for weeks? Today we're diving deep into the Met Gala's theme, the expected trends, and the jaw-dropping outfits we can anticipate from fashion's most daring night. This year's theme, superfine tailoring black style, is already making waves in the fashion world. It's a celebration of black fashion throughout history, focusing on the artistry, craftsmanship, and cultural impact of tailoring in black communities. The exhibition will explore everything from Harlem Renaissance suiting to modern red carpet reinventions by black designers. And the dress code? Tailored for you, a phrase that hints at personal expression through custom tailoring, fitted silhouettes, and a mix of classic and contemporary menswear influences. This means we'll likely see a shift from over-the-top avant-garde fashion to something more refined and structured. Think impeccable fits, luxurious fabrics, and timeless designs reimagined with a modern twist. Let's talk about the people running the show. The 2025 Met Gala is being co-chaired by none other than Coleman Domingo, Lewis Hamilton, ASAP Rocky, and Pharrell Williams, alongside the legendary Anna Wintour. And if that lineup tells us anything, it's that this year's red carpet will be filled with bold, stylish risk-takers who know how to bring their A-game to fashion's biggest stage. Now, let's get into the part you've been waiting for. What will the celebrities actually wear? Sharp, sculptural tailoring. Expect ultra-fitted suits, dramatic lapels, and structured gowns that play with classic menswear elements in a bold way. Velvet, wool, and satin fabrics, a nod to historical luxury tailoring with deep, rich textures making a statement. Old Hollywood meets modern edge. Think Dapper Dan-inspired streetwear tailoring blended with vintage elegance. Gender-fluid fashion. Stars like Billy Porter and Timothée Chalamet could redefine menswear and tailoring on the red carpet. Statement hats and accessories. Wide-brim hats, pocket squares, gloves, and jewelry will likely play a major role in elevating these tailored looks. We know Rihanna never misses. Zendaya's been serving high-fashion looks for years, and ASAP Rocky is one of the co-chairs, so expect them to bring something groundbreaking. But I think we'll also see newcomers stepping up, especially designers like Thebe Magugu, Bianca Saunders, and Wales Bonner, who could completely redefine red carpet tailoring this year. There's always one look that gets everyone talking. Remember Kim Kardashian in the all-black Balenciaga, or Jared Leto carrying a replica of his own head? Well, my prediction is that this year's most talked about look will involve a full reimagination of traditional suiting. Maybe an exaggerated 1920s style tuxedo gown, or a completely deconstructed suit turned into a couture dress. The 2025 Met Gala is shaping up to be one of the most elegant and culturally significant in years. And trust me, you do not want to miss out on the fashion breakdowns. So make sure you're following GTWJ Magazine on Instagram, instagram.com/GTWJMag for real-time updates, best dressed lists, and exclusive insights. And of course, subscribe to this channel because we'll be covering everything from Met Gala rumors to red carpet reviews. Now tell me in the comments, who do you think will have the most iconic look this year?